Do you think the new age supply chain challenges are just the pandemic and geopolitical issues? There are several other concerns which can be missed out, and can cause substantial damage to an organization's growth. A US-based major electronic component distributor approached Infosys BPM to solve their overall supply chain and inventory management inconsistencies. The Infosys BPM team focused on the twin areas of demand forecasting and inventory management. For demand forecasting, statistical forecast models were developed to assess demand pattern analysis for forecastable components. R and Python algorithms were developed to dynamically forecast demand for components, and frequent capacity planning was established using multiple AI and machine learning-based forecast models. For inventory management, an analytical hierarchy process was used to classify parts. An optimal inventory level was projected using an inventory optimization engine that also offered recommendations on inventory drivers, such as demand variability, lead time, service levels, and pointed out inventory reduction opportunities. Implementation of these solutions brought about a big change in the two areas where the solution focused. Demand forecasting saw a 20% improvement in accuracy, while inventory turns saw a 25% improvement, apart from generating analytics-based insights to classify inventory and select an appropriate inventory strategy. The client appreciated the Infosys BPM team's efforts at transformation and the benefits delivered. To learn more about our transformation success stories, do reach out to us at bpm.dbs@infosys.com.